Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT the right way. So we'll explore how you can use the latest ChatGPT tools including image creations, file uploads, memory, and more. Whether you are a student, creator, or business owner, this guide is for you. So what's new in ChatGPT 2025? So the ChatGPT 4.5 or GPT 4.0 is faster and more accurate, understand text, image, and also voice. And free users now get access to more tools. And the new features include image generations, memory, so ChatGPT remembers preferences, file uploads like PDF, Excel, and others, and you can use it like a personal assistant or teacher. So how to use ChatGPT like a pro? So you can just open the chatgpt.com and you can log in or sign up. You can start chatting, but don't just type anything. You can use prompt like this. For example, if you want to summarize something, you can write something like summarize this PDF for me, or design a YouTube thumbnail idea, or write Instagram caption for something. Let's say I'm going to write that prompt, right? Instagram captions for for a beach day, let's say. You can just click on that or hit on enter, and here you can see that ChatGPT will answer your prompt by dividing it into like some of the categories. So this one are for chill and relaxed captions, cute and fun, poetic and aesthetic, funny and sassy. So you can just choose which one that fits your needs. And if you want to get a better result, so you can use the system style prompts. You can, for example, act as a YouTube coach, or you can pretend you are a legal assistant and you can just write something. So for example, you can pretend you are a legal assistant and give me a lesson about something. So you can just write. So you need to be specific and not vague. You can use follow-up questions to refine answers. And you can also ask for formats such as bullet points, tables, scripts, and etc. And you can also use ChatGPT for real life tasks. So for students, you can make it write your essay, or flashcard, math, or solve math problems. But if it's for work, you can makes your email draft, Excel formulas, or business plans. And for creators, you can also ask ideas for video titles, scripts, thumbnails, blog posts, Instagram caption like this, or is SEO hashtags. So don't forget to also enable memory for personalized replies, and don't share private info. And you can also clear memory anytime in the settings. And you can also use ChatGPT's custom bots, so it's built for specific tasks. And that's how you can use ChatGPT the right way in 2025, whether you are editing videos, writing content, or solving school problems. It's your all-in-one AI assistant. So like this video if it helped, subscribe and click on the thanks for more smart AI tutorials. Bye!